Now grab your Android phone and follow along because these Chrome settings are hidden deep inside your browser. Let's fix them together. Step 1. Remove website data stored on your phone. First, open the Google Chrome app. Look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. Now tap Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings and open it. This is where Chrome controls what websites can do on your phone. Now look for an option called Data Stored. Tap on it. You will now see a list of websites that have saved information on your phone. Some websites may only store a few kilobytes of data, while others may store several megabytes. Here is the surprising part. You might see websites you visited once, maybe for only a few seconds, but they are still sitting there on your phone. To clean this up, tap any website you don't recognize or no longer use. Then choose Delete Data and Reset Permissions. This removes the saved website data and resets its permissions. But don't delete everything blindly. Keep websites you use regularly like banking apps or websites where you log in every day. Remove the random ones you don't remember. Step 2. Stop websites saving information on your device. Now go back to the site settings page. Look for On Device Site Data. Tap on it. You may see an option that allows websites to save information on your device. This can help websites remember your preferences, but it also means many sites can store data locally. If you want more privacy, turn this setting to block a site from saving data on your device. Chrome may show a warning saying some websites may not work as smoothly. That's normal. Press Turn Off. You are simply stopping websites from automatically storing extra information on your phone. Step 3. Block automatic downloads from websites. Now go back again to Site Settings. Find Automatic Downloads. Open it. You may see it set to Ask First. Many people think this is completely safe, but some websites use confusing pop-ups that make people click the wrong option. To protect your phone, change it to Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. Now, websites cannot start downloading files automatically without your permission. If you really need a file later, you can manually allow it. So today we changed 3 important Chrome privacy settings. Removed unnecessary website data, stopped websites storing information on your device, blocked automatic downloads. These small changes give you more control over your phone and your online privacy. If this video helped you, share it with someone who uses Chrome every day. Subscribe for more hidden Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.